Hello, my dear student. Namaste. Today we are going to revise the lessons height and distance of trigonometry of additional mathematics of class 10. I have selected 5 questions today. We shall start the 5 questions and I will give you some exercise today. I will change the value. You have to do that, okay, after seeing this video. Okay, now start the lessons from question number 1. So look at the question number 1. From roof of a house 30 meter high, the angle of elevation of the top of tower is 45 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So we have two objects. One is house, another is tower. And you should remember that the two objects must be at the same level of the ground. So make a same level at first. So this is same level. One object is house, another object is tower. And tower is a little bit higher than the house. Okay, now this is the top of the house, B is the bottom of the house, AB is the height of the house, then and another is tower, C, D. So from questions, the angular elevation of top of tower from the roof of house. So from roof of house is observed an elevation of angles. So this is the elevation angle. Okay, and this, let it be E, and this is 90 degree. So the elevation angle is 45 degree. And similarly, the depressions of foot of the tower. D is the foot of the tower and A is the roof. So from roof, the depression angle is 30 degree. It is 30 degree. So this is 90 degree. Okay. And you know that the line AE and BD, this horizontal and the ground level straight line, that is parallel. So this EAD is equal to the alternate angle ADB. So it is also 30 degree. Okay. So look at here now. AB is given. The height of AB is given. It is 30 meter. So AB is equal to the ED being opposite side of rectangle. So this is also 30 meter. And let us suppose the BD is X. Okay. And CEBY. Okay. Then the total height. Total height of the tower is Y plus 30. Okay. This is the total height of the tower. So we describe the diagrams now. Here or in the figure, we will describe the figure. In the figure, AB and CD are height of house and tower respectively. Okay. And next we have to define that the angle of elevation, that is angle EAC equal 45 degree and another is depression angle. So angle of depression, that is angle EAD equal to 30 degree, and this is equal to alternate angle ADB equal to 30 degree. Okay, now from questions we are given that we can write then AB equal to 30 meter, and this height is equal to ED from diagrams, and suppose BD equal to X and this is equal to the opposite side AE, and suppose CE equal to Y. Then we have the height of the tower, that is CD equal to Y plus 30. You can look at the diagrams, Y plus 30. Okay, because CD is equal to CE plus CD. Okay, this is the information that we have given in the questions, and we have supposed, assumed some length. Okay, now we use the trigonometric ratio in the right angle triangle. There are two right angle, ABD and AEC. You can use any one of them at first. Let us start from the right triangle ABD. In right triangle ABD, okay, tan, the angle is 30 degree, the trigonometric ratio, so tan 30 is equal to AB by BD, and the value of tan 30, as you know that it is 1 by root 3, and the AB we have supposed, not supposed, given 30, and BD is X. So this implies that the value of X is 30 root 3 meter. So still we have to find the value of Y, and this value is equal to AE, because opposite sides are equal. Look at here. Okay, so again, look at here now. Again, in right triangle EAC, okay, I can write AEC also. The ratio of tan 45 degree equal to CE by AE, height and distance. Okay, the value of tan 45 is 1, the value of CE is Y, the value of AE is, you can write here that A is 30 root 3. Therefore, Y equal to 30 root 3. So we have obtained the value of Y, and we have to find the value of CD. So hence height of the tower CD equal to Y plus 30, and the value of Y is 30. You can write in meter, 30 root 3 plus 30. So use calculator to find the exact value. It gives 81.96 meter. Okay, you check this answer, and this is the final answer. Okay, use calculator to find this value. Okay, now we start the solution of another question number 2. So look at the another questions. The angle of depressions and elevations of the pinnacle of a temple 20 meter high are found to be 60 and 30 degree from top and foot of tower, respectively. Find the height of the tower. So it is the diagram is similar to the previous one. So first we have to draw a baseline, that is a ground level. Okay. Yes, the ground level, and first is tower, and another is the pinnacle of temple, that is temple, and this is the pinnacle of the temples. Okay, say AB is a height of tower, CD is a temple, or C is a pinnacle of temple. Okay, now what we have given. Okay, so look at here now. We draw this parallel line to the BD through C. Let it be E. And the depression angle and elevation angles. Okay, and the top of this temple, that is pinnacle of temple, from the top of the tower, the angle of depressions is okay. This is the angle of depression. So the angle of depressions is 60 degree. It is 60 degree. Okay, and you know that let it be, yeah, that FAC is 60 degree, and since this horizontal and this horizontal is here parallel, so this angle is also 60 degree. Okay, and this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. I have 90 degree here also. And next, the angle of elevation from the foot, that is this B is the foot of the tower, and from this foot the angle of elevation is to the pinnacle of the temple is, how much is that? It is 30 degree. 30 degree. Okay. So this is the diagrams. Now we fix the given values. The height of the temple is 20 meter. So it is two lines are parallel and it is a rectangle. So opposite side is also 20 meter. And let's suppose this is x and this is also x and this becomes y. So look at here now. It is similar to the previous one. So we have to find the height of the tower. Okay. So the total height is, y plus 20. This is the total height you have to find. So you have to find y. You use similarly as 1, and I have left as an exercise. Okay, you do it yourself. Okay, start from this right triangle. Describe this. CD is a temple, AB is a tower. Okay, angle of depressions FAC equal to alternate angle ACE, and angle of elevations DBC equal to 30 degree, and use the proper value and solve it. Okay, you can do it yourself. Okay, now we start the question number 3. So look at the question number 3. Two posts are at a distance of 40 meters. Okay, two posts are at 40 meters. The angle of elevation of top of the post from midpoint between them, okay, found to be complementary. If the height of the one post is double the others, okay, and find the height. So you have to find the height of both poles. So first of all, we draw the two pole. That is, first we find the same level at the ground, and first pole and another pole is double. Okay, and let the midpoint, there is a midpoint of the two poles. Okay, let it be midpoint. Let this AB is a smaller post, CD is another higher post, and now This is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Angle of elevation from the midpoint. And say it is M, and the another is another elevations. So from questions, it is complementary. You know the complementary, A plus B equal to 90, it means B equal to 90 minus A, or vice versa, or A equal to 90 minus B. So if we suppose this angle theta, BMA equal to theta, then the another angle is 90 minus theta, okay, being complementary. So now again, the height of AB and CD, they are not equal, but one post is double of the other. So a smaller post, if we suppose X, then the height of the another longer pole tower is 2x. Okay, this is the height of pole. We have to find this value. Okay, so now start the solutions by describing the diagram. Here in the figure, I can say figure, AB and CD are two, it is posts. Okay, so and angle of elevations from midpoint, this is M, is angle BMA equal to theta. Okay, we suppose it. Suppose. Then from questions, angle DMC equal to 90 minus theta, because the angles are complementary. Okay, and next, suppose the height of the post AB is X, then CD is 2x. Okay, also we have given that the distance between the two posts BD equal to 40 meter, then BM equal to 20 equal to MD. This is also 20 meter, this is also 20 meter, because the whole is 40 meters. Okay, this is the descriptions of the diagrams. Now we use the trigonometric ratios in two right angle triangle, ABM and CDM. So starting from the first triangle in right triangle ABM, okay, tan theta equal to AB by BM, and or tan theta equal, the value of AB is X, the value of BM is, it is 20. Say it is I. Again, now look at this another right angle triangle. In right angle triangle CDM, the trigonometric basis tan 90 minus theta. Look at it, 90 minus theta equals CD by DM. Or you know that tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. The ratios of 90 minus theta, change the tan into cot, and in first quadrant all the values are positives. Okay, the rate of sign is positive. The value of CD is 2x, the value is 20. Again, tan theta, we have given tan theta here. So we have convert this cot into 10. So tan theta is equal to 2x by 20. You can simplify this. Okay, let us simplify. 1 is 10. So x by 10. And therefore tan theta equals 10 by x. Now using question I, we get x by 20 equal to 10 by x. And this implies that x is equal to 30. Or therefore the x is equal to not 30 to 200, and this equal to x is equal to 10 root 2 meters. Okay, so this is x is height of the first pole and another pole is 2x. So hence height of post AB is 10 root 2 meter and CD is 2 times 10 root 2. Okay, that's 2x. So it is 20 root 2 meter. Okay, this is the complete solution of the question number 3. Okay, now we solve question number 4. So the angle of elevation of as observed from the distance of 64 meter and 49 meter from the foot of the tower are found to be complementary. Again, it is a case of complementary angles. Okay, find the height of the tower. So again, we have draw a tower and there are 2 points on the ground at a distance of 64 meter and 49 meter, and say AB is the height of tower and C and D are 2 points at a distance of 64 and another height is okay, and C and D are 2 points. AB, we have to find the value. Let us say it x, and the distance, this is 64 meter and this distance is 49 meter. Okay, and this is the right angle. And now we fix the elevation angle, that is, if this angle is theta, then another angle is 90 minus theta. Okay, so let us describe the diagrams. In the figure, AB is height of pole, or not pole, is pole or what? Tower. And C and D are 2 points on the ground. Okay, now angle of elevation. The angle of elevation angle BCA equal to theta. Let's suppose it. Okay, then angle BDA equal to 90 minus theta, being complementary according to questions. Okay, now what we have given, we suppose, okay, now we suppose AB equal to x. Okay, and what we have given, BC is equal to 64 and BD equal to 49. Both are meters. Okay. So after this, now we start to use the trigonometric ratio of tan. So starting from the right triangle having angle theta, in right triangle ABC, okay, we have tan theta equals AB by BC. Okay, the value of tan theta is tan theta, it is unknown, theta is unknown. The value of AB, we have suppose X, and BC is 64. Let it be I. Again, in right triangle ABD, now the another angle is 90 minus theta, and this equals the ratio of the side AB by BD, and the value is tan 90 minus theta, that is cot theta, and this equals ABX, BD is 49. And again, cot theta is 1 by tan theta, that is x 49. Therefore, the value of tan theta is 49 by x. So now we using I. Okay, right, equation I, we get x by 64 equals 49 by x, and this implies that x square equal to 64 into 49. Okay, this 64 is a square quantity, 49 is also a square quantity. Therefore, x is equal to, you can write 64, that is 8 square, and 49, that is 7 square. Therefore, this equals 8 times 7, and this is 56 meter, which is required height of tower AB. This is the complete answer. Okay, you can use calculator to find this value. Okay, this was for question number 4. Now we start question number 5. Look at the question number 5. At a distance 50 feet from foot of tower AB, of height 25 feet, and of flagstaff BC at top of the tower, substance equal angles, find height of the flagstaff. So the flagstaff is fixed at the top of the tower, okay, of height. So we draw now first and the distance 50 distance. So look at here now. AB is a tower, okay, from questions, and BC is a flagstaff. So flagstaff is on the top of the tower. This is flagstaffs, okay, and it is a point on the ground. Say it is D, at a distance of 50 feet, okay, and the height of the tower is 25 feet, okay, and we have to find this. Suppose this height be x, okay. So, and from questions, the flagstaffs and the tower AB, subtends equal angle at the point D. Both is theta. So from this, it is clearly the angle ADC is twice theta. Okay, you write twice theta. So now we have to find the value of x. So this is a right triangle, okay, right angle triangle. So the height of CA, no, the height of CA is BC plus AB, that is x plus 25. This is the height of CA. That is the height of the right triangle DAC. Okay, you have to identify the perpendicular and base, that is height and distance of a right triangle, so that we can find the value easily by using trigonometric ratio. So this is the diagrams. Now describe the diagrams. In the diagram, or you can write figure, AB is height of tower and this is flag star. Okay, and angle of, not angle of elevation, there the flag stars and the tower subtend at angles. Okay, so we don't write elevation or depressions. So angle subtended by that AB and BC is angle ADB equal to theta equal to angle BDC. Both are equal because from questions they subtend equal angles, theta theta. Okay, then angle ADC equal to theta. Look at these diagrams. Okay, so from this diagram we have described this informations, and another information that we have is AD equal to 50 feet and AB equal to 25 feet. Okay, where this D is a point, at ground. D is point at ground. You can write like this. Okay, now we use the trigonometric ratio in right triangle ADB. Tan theta equal to AB by DA. So the value of AB is 25. Okay. Yes, and the value of DA or AD is 50, and this means 1 by 2. This is the value of tan theta. You can write I. So in another right triangles, in right triangle DAC, okay, the angle is 2 theta, so tan 2 theta equal to AC by, you can write AD. So the value of tan 2 theta, that is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, and the value of AC is x plus 25, the value of AD is 50. Look at here, why we are using here multiple angle formula? Because we have given tan theta, so we have to express this tan theta in terms of tan theta. So I have used multiple angle formula. Okay, now by cross multiplications we get 50 to the 100, tan theta equals 1 minus tan square theta times x plus 25. Okay, so why we are doing this instead of putting the value? Because if we cross multiply and then substitute the value 1 by 2, it is easy as compared to putting the values here. Because if we put here, then we have the numerator and denominator with fractional number, and may confuse you. So just cross multiply, and now you put the value 100, that is tan theta is 1 by 2, using 1 minus 1 by 2. The value of tan theta is 1 by 2, the square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, and x plus 25. Okay, so this is 50 equal to, now here it becomes 3 by 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 4, x plus 25. So by cross multiplications, it is 200 equal to 3x plus, I think it is 75. Therefore, this implies that 3x is equal to 200 minus 75, that is 125. And this implies x is equal to 125 by 3. And it is 3 4 is 12, 3 1 is 2, remainder is 2 by 3 feet. Okay, so hence you can write in decimal also, and this means 41.66 feet or 67 feet you can write. Okay, hence required height of the, what we have going to find? We have to find the height of tower. Tower is 41 point. The height of, not flag star. Flag star is 41.67 feet or 41 whole 2 by 3 feet. Okay, this completes the solution of the last questions. Okay, now I will give you some homework. You try at your home, let it be 40 and let it be 60, then you try all these, and here also let it be 60, and as it is for others, here let it be 16 and it is say 9, and let it be 40 and say 20. You try these questions as a practice for SEE. Okay, thank you for watching the video.